Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday. Hang on. How's it going, everybody? How's it going? Good morning, Timbo. Good morning, S. How we doing? Good morning, R5 Studios. Good to see you. Trade Bomb, Ben E, Go and Trades, Trader J, Peter Schapp, Nathan Ramirez, NP, Sam Owen. Good morning, Orlando. Larry Hudo. Good morning. All right, let's lock it up. Let's lock it in. Should be an interesting open this morning. All right, let's make sure we have everything locked in here. Pre-flight checklist. We got the right ATM strat. We got the micros. Oh, the clock. The clock. We need the clock. We got the clock. We got the trade copier. Everything's ready to go. I believe we are ready to rumble. Let's see what kind of setup we get this morning. Good morning, Pamela. Good morning. We are ready to roll. Good morning. Clarity, good morning. Pine Tree Trader, good morning. Micro Player. We had a decent overnight session again. Decent overnight session on our other accounts. These Tradeify accounts coming along pretty nicely. The My Funded Futures trying to get these 3 passed, and then these 5 take profit, trying to get those passed as well. Hopefully. Trying to take my time with them instead of just rushing and trying to pass them in 2 days. So just trying to take my time. Hey, good morning, John King, Matty Matt. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. 7 of 20 pass so far. All right. Hey, good luck, Matty Matt. Good luck. Hey, Black Coffee. Good morning. Hey, Black Coffee. I blew one of my U-Profit accounts yesterday, by the way. Wah, wah. Yesterday afternoon session, I knew I shouldn't have traded, and I literally took, like, I have a $680 stop loss. I literally took 13 of 14 losses in a row. It was brutal. It was brutal. So we only have one remaining U-Profit account that we're currently still waiting for an approval on a payout. Hopefully we'll get that today. If we get that today, then we'll get our yearly payouts will be 196. And then we have another, hopefully 3,000 payout before the end of the year from Tradeify, which will bring us to 199. Somehow we need to scratch and claw $600 more for the year. Just that's gonna bother me if we end the year at 199. My OCD is gonna kick in. Did you see Nutty versus KA video? No, I did not. What am I missing? Yeah, Black I got chopped up. It was bad. It was real bad. Unfortunate. It was $8,000 of profit. Poof. It was gone. Hard to believe. That was done on 2 minis. 2 minis only. It's crazy. Hey, good morning, Amelia. Good morning. Yep, we're brothers. We got one remaining U-Profit account. Good morning, Amelia. Good morning, Daniel. TCM Trades, good morning. Rad Poker, Go SPVC. Maximus, good morning. TCG Andy, good morning. Trader J, Ace Undercover. How we doing, everybody? All right, boys, time to lock it in. Time to lock and load. Okay, the magic number, the opening price is 532 3/4. 532. So, and now we wait. I don't even know if I want to see a short or a long today on this 3-minute opening strategy. I feel like I would rather see a short, but honestly, either way, we're just going to follow this is like a technical trade, so we're just going to follow the rules. So UProfit isn't a scam, Dream Chaser? Yeah, I would not use them. I just have my remaining accounts, and I'm just trying to get as many payouts as I can with them. But I will, once I won't use them again, and I definitely would not recommend them. Just because of how they handled the changes retroactively and closing accounts with retroactive, that's unacceptable. All right, market selling off here, down through the testing that 500. Hey, John. Good morning, John. Good to see you. Reezy, good morning. Good morning. Mad Penguin, good morning. Yashwanth, good morning. Maximus, good morning. Charles, good morning. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. All right, right now, this is looking like a short setup. We are 1 minute and 10 seconds away from an entry, so a lot can happen in 1 minute. There is a lot that can happen in 1 minute on the opening trade here. We know that. $50 seconds. $40 seconds. Good morning, Dave Mack, Truth Trader. Good morning. Charuz. Good to see you, Charuz. All right, now if we get within 5 points of this opening right here, there will be no trade. So we're getting in that range. It might be a no trade day. We'll see. 15 seconds. 6, 5. All right, short. We're short, folks. Now we wait. Now we just let it play out. Man, my fills are all over the place this morning. Look at that. We have some crazy fills here. Come on, market. Just sell off like crazy. You can do it. Give me new lows. Down below the 500s would be great. Big red candle. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. It's putting up a fight right here. The bulls and bears are having a battle. I don't like it. Looks like the bulls are winning. Not good, not good. We got the previous highs here at the 535s that can. This is going to be our last hope right here. If we rip through this, then don't see us winning this trade. Looks like another stop out, maybe. There's still hope. Again, if we're not at least 30 ticks in profit, then we don't take this trade off at the 5-minute mark, which is right now. So we just keep this trade. Basically, actually, I need to move. Now we, come on, market. Just sell off. That'd be fine. I'd be fine with that. Big rip lower here. Come on. Can't seem to do it. Very choppy open, folks. Very choppy. If we break above the 535s, I think we're going to be done pretty quickly. Let's hope the bears can push this lower. Oh, the moment of truth. This pushes up through the 535s. We're going to get stopped out, I think. I don't mind this trade, actually. I don't mind where I entered at all, but this 535 has got to hold. Come on. Big red candle here would be nice. Here we go. Come on, bears. Sell this thing. Man. I don't like this. I don't like it at all. I think we're going to get stopped out here. Here we go. Here it goes. So choppy. Okay, now maybe we can rip. Come on. Do it. You took out liquidity at the highs. Now rip lower. Do it. Trap the shorts. Or trap the longs, I mean. Can it do it? Can she do it? We're getting close to the 10-minute mark. 10-minute mark, I don't know what I do here. Just gotta wait, I think. Come on, bears. One time, baby. Come on. If we can get below this 525, I think we got a chance. Come on. Oh my gosh. It can't do it. Do I just kill it? I don't even know what I'm supposed to do here. This is unfortunate. Or okay, now I'm going to get stopped out. Feels bad. There it is. Stopped out. just, man, we just never could break down through that 525 area. All right, rip. Another loss. Another loss. I didn't mind this trade, though. Thought we had a chance. I thought we had a chance. It is what it is. That was a long trade, though. Watch it rip lower now. Now it's probably going to rip lower. Man. It's unfortunate. It is looking bullish now. Let's see. So we have previous resistance from yesterday right here at the 550s. So if we can get above the 550s and hold it, it's starting to look pretty bullish. Oh, now we wait. Do it for the stream. That's right. Oh, man. It's all right. It's okay. But what we need, I haven't had a day where we've had the max win reach. Feel like we're due. I think we're due for one of those max win 300-400, and actually the max win on this trade would be $600. Feel like we're due. Feel like we're due. All right, we're above the 550s. It is seeming, I mean, this is just looking very bullish now. She is looking very bullish. All right, testing that 560 area now. All right, the hourly chart. Look at this crazy chart on the hourly. It's like, whoop, what do we have here? Lots of, I mean, this support resistance played out really nicely right here at the 450s. Now we're coming up upon the 200 EMA. Not, I don't know that that matters, but there it is. Then we have resistance up here at the 630s. 4-hour chart. I mean, this is nothing more than just a little bit of a correction. As long as we don't go below this 450, there's probably no reason to look for shorts. There she goes, 565s and climbing. Hey, at least when we get stopped out, we're wrong. I much prefer this way. We're wrong. When we're wrong, we're wrong. Okay, here we go. 566, 570s. Wow, this is just ripping. This is ripping straight up. 570s. There she goes. Now we wait. I mean, I guess we gotta look. We look for longs here. We need a nice pullback here before we do anything. Before I do anything. Hey, Kid Poker, how we doing? 200 away from passing. Let's go, Matty Matt. Nicely done. Pass my 50K eval. Let's go, AO44. Nicely done. I sent you the video on X. Oh, okay, Red Poker. Thank you. Wow. There we go. Through the 80s. Look at that thing go. 585s now. Look at that thing go. 585s. All right, pulling back through the 580s now. I mean, we need to get we need a bigger pullback here. Come on, pull back. Say what? Thanks. A good time to short? I don't want to short this. I do not want to short this. Man, this would have been such a great. Oh, if this would have triggered a long, this is what I dream of. This is what dreams are made of. All right, let's see. Continuing. Let's see if we breach the 600s. Not much of a pullback. All right, maybe we get a bigger pullback here. Let's just hold on. You caught that from the 527s, Nathan? Nice, nice. Let's go, Orlando. Do you know if there's a consistency rule as far as trades placed, like each day? Blaze R, no, there's no consistency on how much you need to trade every day. You can do 1 or 1,000. I don't think that's going to matter. I wouldn't recommend doing 1,000, but let's go, Orlando. Yes. DCA and probation hot links on their dashboard. Really? I mean, I think that's all. Isn't or let me look. Hey, here we go. Here's the pullback. Let's just keep. Now we just need to be patient. Not try to catch this falling knife. All the way down to the 560s now. Typical NASDAQ. Typical NASDAQ. All right, this is a pretty big pullback all the way down to the 550s now. This is where it gets tricky. It gets tricky. Ugh, this is so typical NASDAQ. Just got to be patient now. Not get too aggressive on buying this pullback because I could see this thing rip all the way back down through this 490. I really could. Maybe we bounce off of this EMA. 21 EMA right here. We have the overnight highs. Maybe we bounce off of this 540. Feel like you could take a stab at that, but let's just be patient. And we're not done. We're not done pulling back down to the 530s. She ripping lower. Look at this. This is crazy. This is where it gets very difficult trying to buy these pullbacks, and it gives us V-shaped reversals. I'm just going to be very careful. I mean, I'm still kind of interested, but seems dangerous. Whew. Yeah, we could test VWAP down here at the 520s. I could see that. We might do that. We're right here. We're testing the VWAP now. Just lots of selling. Lots of selling. I mean, I'm very tempted to, if we see something. Here we go. We're ready to test that VWAP. Let's hang on, folks. This is where you gotta be careful. Oh, crazy, man. You're in for the long blaze. Good luck. I bet my life that at 10 a.m. it's gonna reverse. Hey, I hope you got paid, reactor visual. Let's go. You just got, so for a payout you need 10 days traded and a safety net of 20. So you need to reach 2,600 in profit, and you need to trade for 8 days, VO. 8 days is the magic number. And you also 8 days, you need to have, obviously 5 of those days need to be $50 in profit or more. But all right, I mean, so far this is not looking good at all for the bulls. This is not looking good. We're not seeing any buying here, really. Wow. And here we go, down to the 515s. Let's see if this opening range low, 505s, maybe that's where it wants to test. Wow, this is crazy. Nothing like a 70-point reversal. Nothing like it. You gotta love the market, especially NQ. And my fan just died. Nice. Down we go, down below the 515s now. Man, people are getting wrecked on this pullback. Ugh. See if we can get a move. I mean, we're not even getting, it's just no. Okay, now this might be, maybe we get a move above the 520s here. Okay, now it's looking a little more promising. Do I trust it? No, I do not. I'm not gonna go for this. Wow, look at that rip. Here come the buyers. If you're long, hold on, folks. Hold on. You might have something. Wow. Look at that rip. This is crazy, folks. Nice, Blaze. Nicely done, Blaze. Nicely done. All right, now let's see. Was that just an overextended pullback, or was this is where we have to wait? For me, anyway, this could just be a stair step, and now we keep going lower. Man, what a rip. What a rip. If I was really aggressive, you could have had a buy order sitting right here, the 527s, 528s is right above this candle. Would have worked. Would have been nice, but we didn't do it. We didn't trust it. Is that your home or you're on vacation? I'm on an extended vacation, Reactor Visual. Extended vacation. We don't give VTOPs enough credit, go in trades. Yeah, I agree. And when you get on the wrong side of a V-shaped reversal, man, things get ugly fast. But man, now this is just doing another V-shaped reversal to the upside. So, man, today looks like it's gonna be crazy. Wow. Maybe we need to focus on just trying to pass our my funded future and take profit accounts. I mean, this looks like it's just gonna go right back up to the highs. What the heck is this? What is this? Hey, Sharoos! Requested a payout on 2 accounts on Apex last night and the balance is already down. Yay, that means you've been approved, Sharoos. Let's go. Nicely done, Sharoos. Let's go. We need a... Congratulations, Sharoos. This for you. This for you. Nicely done. Nicely done. Let's go. You should have bought at the bottom. Yes, Mikey. I could not agree more. I could not agree more. If you can tell me where the bottom and the top is, that'd be great. I would appreciate it. With 100% certainty. That was a perfect Judas swing. It might reverse down now. I mean, who knows what it's going to do. Apex approved payout for 20 PAs after I sent them the video proof. Let's go, Kartik. Kartik, this is for you, Kartik. Nicely done. Submit and get approved. Let's go. Oh, it might go up and it might go down. That sounds very true. Right now, I mean, if I would have gotten in right here at the 528s, that was my only trade here. But, I mean, this is just too big of a pullback for me to trust that. I've seen it too many times when we wake up past and then just drop to, we just drop like crazy. So, it's just a little bit too big of a pullback for me. A little bit too volatile as well. But we'll be patient. We'll get another opportunity. I think they take the Asia lows if we cannot trade back to the weekly open. I mean, right now, you got to think this is going to rip up through the 600s. I'm going to be very bullish. The fact that we did not make a new low here, we didn't even test the 15-minute range, then, I mean, I don't know. I think we're going higher. One of the things that's kind of interesting is the volume on the way down kept going lower, lower, and lower volume. The bulls were just waiting. They were waiting to pounce. And as soon as we got to this 515 level, they just gobbled it up. That's what they were waiting on. Cue the creed. Any good prop firm that we can trade with few accounts? I mean, I'm testing out a couple right now. I'm testing out my funded futures. I'm testing out Tradeify. I mean, I'm not really testing out take profit. I already know what to expect with take profit, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know. It's like I'm actually kind of hesitant anymore. I'm hesitant anymore to recommend any prop firm. It's like we got to do our due diligence. And if you see red flags that you don't like, then please don't listen to me. Do your own research, and if you find one that you feel comfortable with, take it. But I think in this prop firm space recently, it feels like every prop firm is making changes to their rules. And one thing I heard, and I heard someone mention and talk about how, and this started with Apex. So it started with Apex when they changed the rules. And this guy, basically every prop firm or any prop firm that he's trading with, if they change the rules, he does a chargeback on his card and goes to the next prop firm. And guess what? He's running out of prop firms, and he's banned on almost all the prop firms now. So be careful what you wish for, because all prop firms are making changes. It's just part of the game, and it's just, you might as well accept it and stop throwing a 2-year-old hissy fit as soon as a prop firm changes some rules. It's just this is part of prop firm land the way we know it. Things are changing. Yeah, now all of a sudden he's trying to weasel his way by using other people's identity. Like he's trying to use his sister and his brother's identity to now go back and trade with prop firms that he's been banned on. And now he can't get the KYC. Like, that's causing issues too. So, I mean, I don't mind. If you feel like if you want to charge back, I guess go for it. But just be aware, there might come a day, there might come a time when you will wish you hadn't. But, of course, do as you please. Yeah, exactly, Ricardo. Now, I do agree that there's a right way and a wrong way for a prop firm to change the rules. Hey, here we go. We are breaching the 590s, 600s, coming in hot. What a move. What a move. We bounced right off of that VWAP. What a move. Man, if someone bought here and held, congratulations. You are my hero. That's crazy. CME does not have regulations. They are a private company. Yeah, I mean, I feel like regulations are kind of the wrong word to use, but they have control. Here's what's going to happen, guys. The CME is going to sue prop firms. That's what's going to happen, if it isn't already happening. The CME is going to file lawsuits against these prop firms, and that is how they're going to get them to basically do whatever they say, because they are going to try to force their way to it in that way. All right, 600s, here we come. They're just going to raise fees? I don't think so. I think they're going to do a lot more than that. They're going to try. They're going to try, but they might not get away with it. Shorted that drop and made my profit and locked me out. Let's go, Jose. Nice, nice. CME can't sue if props are acting in good faith to make changes, which most are now. Well, Trade Bum, the problem is we don't know. See, well, I shouldn't say too much, but it depends on what the CME is asking. If the because the CME is definitely working with prop firms. Like they have definitely had conversations on what they want to see. I don't know what that is, but the prop firms aren't willing to adhere to what they want. It's unrealistic. So now I think their only recourse is now to go, they're going to try different methods. But prop firms are at least making some changes. I just don't think they're making the changes as drastic as the CME ones. Trust me when I tell you, the CME is going to be our enemy. The CME is not looking out for me and you as prop firm traders. In my opinion, I don't know. This is just speculation. Here's what I think. And I might be wrong, but we'll clip this video. Clip it. The CME doesn't want you guys, they don't want us to even get a payout on the sim funded accounts. They don't even want prop firms to be able to pay out on a sim funded account. That's how far they are going. Write it down. Nutty called it out first. That is, you can, I feel like very confident saying that. And there's going to be a war. Because that's right. That's, I think, is going to be the main problem. The CME doesn't even want people to get a payout on a sim funded account. They want it to be where the only way you can get a payout with a prop firm is on their live account, which is crazy. And that is not going to help. It's going to make things way worse for us as traders if that is the case. You want to know who has spoken to the CME directly, Matty Matt? I mean, I know for a fact that Apex has spoken with the CME on multiple counts. Apex has been talking with the CME for 5 months. People don't believe me, but it's true. And now they have started talking with some of the other prop firms as well. Yeah, I mean, Apex was the first to talk with him. Now Top Step's talking with him. And basically anyone relevant in the future space is getting the same runaround. Gary, Blacklock. It's fine. I don't mind. The Bears already done yesterday, so today is reversal day. That will not happen, Paul. What is today's date? December the 10th. Remember that date. We'll clip this, what I said, and we'll go back. Man, I should have been in this trade and I wasn't paying attention. Dang schnabbit. I need to pay attention. Pay attention. Right here was my entry. That is unfortunate. All right, we'll wait. Kind of hoping we go sideways here for a little bit. let the price calm down a little bit. The CME is very powerful. Yeah, they are. Very powerful. Yeah, it's fine, Blacklock. All right, we're right here at the 600s. No, Kid Poker, don't do it. Yeah, I don't know either, Blaze. I don't know. Oh, Carolina. That would be typical CME. That would be the typical regulation. Oh, now you have to. Oh, that would be crazy. But there's a lot of unknowns yet. The courts, they might look at things differently. They might tell CME to go fly a kite, which would be funny. These top step coaches and their hard ones for Series 3, yeah. That Series 3 thing is just nothing but it's crazy. Doesn't mean anything when it comes to prop firm trading. Or even the way that they're trading doesn't mean anything. Has fought PDD against futures for many years. They will not start now. Oh, really? Red Poker. All right, that's good. That's good. as long as Apex still paying out for the next year before CME attempt to have any kind of effect. Yeah, I think it could go another year. I think it could easily go a year before we see some actual like changes. I mean, I think we're going to continue to see rule changes. The rule changes are going to continue to happen. Less frequently, I'm hoping, but I think the whole CME thing, all of that stuff is going to take a while to get sorted out. We have the 620s kind of have some resistance here. CMT would be better designation for them, if anything. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, Brass Dung. I think that would be the best case scenario. Best case scenario would be the CME just ups their fees for the sim fees. They raise that fee, and then they just let prop firms continue to do their thing. That would be the best case scenario, in my opinion. But I don't think that's what they're aiming for. The props firms aren't working for the trader's best interest either. So basically, it's two evils fighting each other. I agree, Wanderer. I mean, yeah, you're right. Patrick gets 15,000 a day from Apex. What do you mean? You want to know if I get a Lambo? I literally get exactly $0 from Apex per month, except for when people use my code. People use my code, I get a commission from that. Other than that, I get exactly zero. I get no free accounts. I get nothing. Absolutely zero. Finally, my 40K payout from Apex is on its way via plane. Oh, let's go, Max90. Let's go. Man, you guys are killing it. This is for you, Max90. Max90, what happened? Did you find out what happened? All right, we're pulling back now. The price, we're definitely slowed down here. Al Block. Yeah, NBT is the best code. Let's go, Matty Matt. So because they lost your, yeah, that's so weird, Max90. I mean, geez. But hey, congratulations on that awesome payout. 40K. I mean, I have no idea what Patrick's stance or deal is with Apex. I have no idea. All I can tell you is what mine is, and it's you use my code, I get a commission, that's it. He's employed by Apex for $500K a year? No, no shot. If that's the case, I'm getting shafted so hard, it's not even funny. If that's the case, I'm getting shafted so hard. I need to have a talk. I need to have a talk, man. I've had free account codes from Patrick John. Yeah, I've done that too. Sometimes Apex will give me free codes, and then I'll give them out to you guys. Yeah, it's time for a raise, Orlando. I want a raise from nothing. I guess I need to be better at my negotiation. My negotiation skills suck. You should sue Topstep for using my likeness. What do you mean, Al Blacklock? What did they do with me? Did I miss something, Black? What did I miss? All right, we might have to pay attention here. Looks like I mean, I was hoping we get a nice, if we go down, if we make new lows, but if we go down below this 565 area, then, man, I don't like it. All right, we just wait. I guess we try to be patient. Patrick has 250,000 subscribers and brings in new sheep to the slaughterhouse. True. But I do know one thing, that what is more important than subscribers is your live view count. I do know that. Because you can have a lot of subscribers, but not a lot of engagement. Or I should say engagement is what's more important than subscribers. You're looking for 80% discount on Apex? Yeah, same. I've been waiting. I'm patiently waiting. I want to buy 4 more. I think I'm going to do the 150K accounts. I want to buy 4 more before the end of the year. And just waiting. Patiently waiting, Apex. If you're listening, sure would be nice to have a sale. Lilu has thousands of subscribers, yet their giveaway coupon live streams have 20 viewers. Exactly. Keep close tabs of these. Some of these channels have 20,000 subscribers, and when they live stream, they have maybe 10 people watching. There's a reason. Those channels bought for their subscribers. Their subscribers are bots. And you can do that. You can buy subscribers and make it look like you have a big channel when you really don't. I'm glad I never did that. It's actually been known and proven channels that do that die, because YouTube algorithms look at your channel and your subscribers, and they'd use that to determine if they should push your video to other people. If you have a lot of subscribers and very little view counts, YouTube assumes that your content sucks, so they just don't push out your stuff. Hey, thank you, John. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, or should we be looking for a short, John? Yeah, Dan. Yeah, exactly, Victor. 2 million subs, 1,000 views, and 5 likes per video. He has the start of a big one. I know. I see that. Makes me want to really not take along here. Now my bias is officially a short now. So wait a minute. Wait a minute, John. What time frame is this? Ah. Another leg up. Yeah, I know. That's a 4-hour chart. Okay. So he's short at 534. He's short, but it looks like he's short all the way down here. He would have already gotten stopped. Well, no, I guess not. Never mind. Never mind. All right, let's just be patient today. I'll be honest, I didn't really show it this morning. I did a good job hiding it, but this loss here did kind of, this one frustrated me. That one frustrated me. I kind of liked the setup here, and I thought we would fall apart. I really did like the idea of falling apart and retesting the overnight lows here. Kind of got me a little frustrated this morning when we got stopped out there, but it is what it is. Man, is this really gonna rip higher now? Unreal. I want to see what happens when we get to this opening range high, the 575s right here. Long YM, let's go, Mikey. Good job. Hey, Woodchip, good morning. How we doing, Woodchip? Good to see you. Grande, good to see you. Do you trade 1 to 2 minute? Do you look at the 5 to 10? Okay, it's actually weird you say that. I actually started looking at the 2 minute chart, the 1 minute chart, and the 3 minute chart. I'm just testing some things out. I have the 1 minute chart because of my 3 minute opening range strategy, and I've just been watching it a lot more. And then I'm also just watching the 3 minute chart a lot more as well lately, and just kind of looking at everything. And I don't know. Not saying I'm going to change or anything, but I think it's interesting. Uh-oh. Here we go. Shipping it lower. You overslept, wood chip. Uh-oh. Well, that might be a good thing, wood chip. This morning was very, I mean, this is perfect price action if you caught the moves. But if you got trapped in these moves, this is very, very painful. I can speak from experience. I agree, JB. We still have not broken the opening range. Kind of hard for me to be. I mean, right now, I think you have to look at longs, in my opinion. But do I actually do it? See, right here is technically. Kid Poker, you want it to dump? Hey. Using the 15-minute next to the 1 minute. I do have the 15-minute chart as well that I look at. I probably should pay more attention to it than I do, but I do have the 15-minute that I have open, and I actually have a 5-minute, but I don't look at it as much as I probably should. Seems like we keep trying to go higher, but we keep bumping our head above on this 576, this opening range high. It's like having a wife at the golf store. Why do you need that? My wife was trying to get ideas for me. So I was trying to get ideas for what I want for Christmas, and I just send her all kinds of golf stuff. Okay, this is now the second time we've rejected off of this 15-minute opening range high. Let's give it some time, see what this market wants to do. Keeps you from buying dumb stuff like a rangefinder, or I already got my rangefinder. Do you know what I bought the other what was it? Something you definitely don't need, but of course, why not? Oh, I bought like one of those trays where you can make ice and you put the water in, and then it freezes, and it makes golf balls, but it's an ice cube. But they look like golf balls. I like it. I like it. All right, let's see if we get down. This could fall apart, man. Oh, I kind of want to go short. Ooh. Man. Oh, I'm so hesitant. Why? Why was I so hesitant? Should have pulled the trigger. All right, let's wait. Let's not chase it. Let's not chase it. I mean, the reason we rejected twice off of this, and as soon as we broke below this candle, like right here at the 562s, but we might just rip straight back up. We could be starting to put in a sideways range here. So let's just be patient. Definitely do not want to start chasing this market. What are you looking for, Matty Matt? You're looking for a long or short? If I'm still trading micros, Paul, Eddie, yes, I am 4 micros as my standard position. Yeah, I'm really hesitant, Eddie. I agree. I am. I don't disagree. I feel like partially when I start my day out with a loss, I'm definitely a lot more hesitant that way. Because I feel like I don't have any room for another loss. Like basically one more loss and I'm done for the day. So I tend to be a lot more hesitant than. All right, are we going to test that 575 area again? You're getting close to passing the threshold on 3 PAs? Oh, wow, Eddie. Hey, I know the feeling now. Those are some butt clenching times. Those are some clenching moments. But the key is, Eddie, I know this sounds crazy, but the key is to be okay with taking a loss. Before you go in a trade, just be okay with accepting a loss. Don't get trapped in a trade and just be completely unwilling to take a loss. That's always where it goes bad, man. Oh, that's always where it goes bad. You gotta enter a trade with the idea that you're going to accept a loss and be okay with it. That is the best way to get into it, because if you don't, you go in, you think you have to have a winning trade. That's when your mind starts messing up. Hey, it's just, thank you, I appreciate that. Welcome to the channel. Also, I'm a terrible streamer. Bauchman, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. I know I've been terrible at calling out subs lately. Tell me about it. So many blown PAs at the threshold of payout, Citizen Zero. I mean, that's what happens. And back down we go. How long did it take me before getting a payout with Apex, Angus? It took me a year. I struggled for a full year. You can go back and watch it if you really want to go through misery and pain with me. I literally streamed and recapped last year's. I started my channel in April and I went all of next year. And yep, not one payout until the beginning of this year. We finally burst the bubble and something clicked. It's weird, but something finally clicked in my brain where I realized, I mean, I knew what I was doing wrong last year. I knew what I was doing wrong. I just didn't have the ability to fix it. I was going on tilt. I was going on tilt way too much. I would have consistent day, consistent week, sometimes a consistent month, and then it would blow up in one day. And I didn't seem to be able to get out of that cycle. I could not get out of that cycle. And finally, it just kind of, I still think, I still give Guardian Angel Trader was a big part of me turning around my trading. It actually was. Because Guardian Angel Trader actually forced me to walk away. It forced me to walk away when I was in the middle of a tilt session. And it literally forced me to walk away. It's something, and there's something about it. Once I actually was forced to walk away and I came back the next day and my accounts were still alive, even though they were red, like something about that, it made me believe that I can do it. It's weird, but something about that mentality where I was like, you know what? I walked away yesterday. I was on tilt and I didn't blow all my accounts. I just walked away and today they're still here. And it felt, I don't know. Maybe it might not be that way for you, but for me, that kind of got me to understand and realize how powerful it is to be able to walk away. And I still have Guardian Angel Trader, but I don't use it in that way anymore because I feel like I know better. Like I also, the other thing that really helped was understanding what triggers me to go on tilt. Wow, look at this. We just never could get above that 76s, and here we go, testing VWAP once again. I did like a short here. I did like it, but now we're just right back where we opened up at this morning. This is the opening price right here, 532s. Exactly the same for you, Aaron. I mean, I feel like everyone goes through this. I feel like everyone goes through that. I mean, I think that's what makes trading so hard is because it's emotional. Like, Anyone that tells you, oh, you just have to learn to trade without emotion is full of it. Like, that's like telling someone, like, it's not possible to trade without emotion. Everyone has emotion when they trade to some extent. Maybe some have more than others, but I guarantee you, if you would put a heart monitor on someone and they enter a trade, their heart rate is going to increase. I would dare bet that is most people. So you're going to have emotion. You just need to learn you need to learn not to let it completely destroy you, you know? Just don't let it destroy you. Did you just have Guardian Angel Trader set for a loss limit or a number of trades? Sacred, so my biggest struggle was just, yeah, going on tilt, having huge red days. So I set my Guardian Angel Trader to $600, $500 to $600 loss per account. And once you hit that, it was over. So and then there was no going back. Like, there's no getting around it. It was just, that's it. You were done for the day. And I remember the one time it hit my Guardian Angel Trader and I couldn't trade anymore. I was so mad. I was so upset at Guardian Angel Trader. I legit was, I was so upset. Because I wanted to keep trading so bad. So bad. But I couldn't. All right, here we are, all the way down to the 525s. Trader Kane making a killing. Some traders can contain their emotions better than others. Yeah, Peter Schaap, I agree. Some people have ability to be a lot more controlled, but it's still emotional. It's really simple. Lose lots of trades. The sting gets lighter and lighter each time. There is definitely some truth to that. There is. Mine is moving my stops and taking the L. Well, you in Guardian Angel Trader, you even have a setting where you do not, like, you enter with an ATM strat and it will not allow you to move your stop loss. You can move it tighter, but you can't move it further away. There is a setting in Guardian Angel Trader that will not allow you to move your stop loss. And you can't cancel your stop loss either. So maybe that's something for you, Trading Ever After. Is there a way to uninstall it and keep trading? No, it is not, John King. There is a setting that makes it so you cannot uninstall. And it works because I tried everything. I tried everything to uninstall it that one time. And I couldn't do it. I literally tried everything. Could not do it. There was a day, Nutty workaround, if I think you have a trade. Oh, yes. Yes, Matty Matt. So the one workaround was the Trade-Evade accounts. You could just log into Trade-Evade and keep trading. I did do that one time. Yep. Delusion. My degen mode kicked in full effect. Where can you buy it? I think they actually have a new website. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, if you just search Guardian Angel Trader for Ninja Trader, I can put a link down below. Right there you go. That's it. This is starting to look like we're just going to fall apart. And I'm trying to decide, do I actually want to commit to a short here? Not right here, but wait for a pullback, and then I think I'd like to see it below this 500, but right now this is looking like it's just going to keep bleeding lower. My Siri likes your voice for some reason. It's been responding to me all morning. Sorry, Brass Donkey. Hey, Siri. You're short 545. Let's go, Black Coffee. Nice. Okay, here we go. 512s. Looking at we are right at this previous low. Let's see if this holds. 510s. Down we go. Wow. Man, and here I actually was. Oh, I should have held. I actually did go short, trying to pass my take profit and my funded future accounts. But I cut it early. I cut it way too early. There we go. New lows. Now, let's see. The low of the overnight session is all the way down here at the 450s. Yeah, my product. Here we go. 21 500s. Will this hold? If I still use GAT, Gary Brooks, yes, I do. I don't use it where I have a set limit per account. I just have it and I use it to shut down my trading for the day. So if I like for example, right now we have a $200 loss per account. If I have another $200 loss, which would bring me to 400, then I will use Guardian Angel Trader to shut down my trading for the day. And that's just a way for me to avoid the temptation of trying to trade and make back the, try to make it back and that type of thing. Just shuts down my trading for the day, and that way I don't even think about it. I don't even try. Oh no, Captain Crunch. I'm sorry, man. Out with 4, holding last one for 440. Let's go, Black Coffee. Nice trade. Nice trade. Does Guardian Angel Trader work on Sierra chart? I don't believe it does, Ron. That's only for Ninja Trader. It helps you a lot trading on tilt? Nice, nice. If I could only let my trades play out. Yep. If you're struggling to let your trades trade out, or if you're struggling to let your trades play out, enter a trade, put your stop loss and your take profit down where you want it, and then leave the room for 15 minutes. That just do it. Leave the room for 15 minutes before you come back and check on the trade. That way, that's a good way to allow your trade to work without micromanaging it all the time. Okay, here we are at this 490 level. I'm no longer looking to buy. We are chilling. All right, possibly could get a bounce here. Let's wait and see. Question will be, if we bounce, will it just be a V-shaped reversal, or are we just gonna make another leg lower? But I'm going to look for a short entry here if we get a bounce. Wouldn't mind getting a bounce up to like the 520s maybe. My problem is that when using the Tradevate group copier, it won't let you OCO the trades. Yeah, I know, but you can always enter, like you would have to enter, put in your profit target, stop loss, and then... No, I don't think you can, football. I mean, you can connect your Tradevate connection to a Ninja Trader, and then you could, but you can't do it just through Tradevate. Not that I'm aware of. All right, here we are above the 510s. Hey, who knows? Maybe this is just going to be another V-shaped move. It'll be the day of V-shaped reversals. You mentioned you take the account expenses on your taxes. Is this because you're set up as a business, or is this a personal return? It doesn't matter. You can do it either way. Personal or business, you can write off your expenses for your evals, and your activation fees are an expense. Anything that you use, anything that you have, any income you report, you can also write off expenses that you use to create said income. I'm no tax expert, but that much I do know. All right, we need to pay attention here. Don't go without me. I don't have an entry here. This might be trapping the shorts too. Yeah, I could be. Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. Now I'm starting to think this might actually be a V-shaped reversal again. Be crazy. Maybe not. Oh, I didn't get my order in place in time. No. Okay, we're in. Please do not fake us out here. Just need a continuation on this move. Just a nice continuation trade. Don't give me any heartburn. Just do it. It's being ignorant. Come on. All right, we need new lows. New lows. Come on. New lows. Let's go. New lows. New lows. Flush it. Come on. You gotta give me new lows on this candle, or we are going to have problems. 6 seconds to go. Gotta give me new lows. Come on. Oh, and it's not gonna do it. Okay, right here. Yes. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. You can do it. I mean, I feel like right here is a good place to take profit. Just flush it. Just flush it. Do it. I'm gonna move my stop to right here. Please don't stop me out. Please. I beg you. Don't even think about it. Actually, you know what? All right, now we're going to let a runner go. We have one contract and we are letting it run. Run, baby, run. Run with the wind. Actually, let me... All right. I'm not even going to have a target here. We're just going to literally let it go. Flush all day long. Give me 100-point trade. Run like you stole something. Exactly. We're probably going to get stopped out here. Like, you know how the market does. I'm going to go get a water. I need a water. I'll be right back. And we're back. Of course, we get stopped out. Actually, this is okay. Hang on. We might be able to get another entry here. Maybe. Paul, you'll be fine. You'll get it. You'll get it, Paul. Just be patient. Just be patient. Sniper Maui. Sniper Maui. Oh man. Thank you for gracing us with your presence. I really do appreciate it. Discipline is the key. This makes new highs. I'm going to cancel this order. We're in, folks. And we're in once again. I guess we could have it right here. Did we get trapped here? We might have gotten trapped. Uh-oh. We might have gotten trapped. Come on, just fall apart. Give me a nice stair step down. Come on. Nope, it's not gonna do it. That's unfortunate. Looks like we're gonna take the L on this one. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. Dang it. That is disappointing. Just get it over with. Stop me out. Go ahead. It doesn't. It wants to give me It wants to torture me. Max Payne. Max Payne wants to torture me. Just. Tell me. Don't give me hope. Don't give me hope. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is painful. This is painful, folks. It's trying to give me max pain. It's giving me the old hope and nope. It's the hope and nope strategy. Yep, there was the hope, and now there's the nope. Typical hope and nope strategy right there. If I've ever seen one. I hate. Actually hate. This is my absolute worst kind of trade. And I actually, in hindsight, that's on me. That's on me. I should not have had my sell stop order should have been right here at the 487s, below this wick. But look at this. Look at where I got wicked in. I mean, precisely wicked me in and just straight to my stop. That will put me on tilt as well. That hope and nope. Yep. Typical hope and nope situation. That's so frustrating. It's my worst kind of trade. And that type of trade always seems to happen. It always seems to be happening on the short side. Like when I go short, this is always where it happens. I feel like going long in this scenario it's just does not happen as much. The shorts get trapped way more than the longs get trapped lately. And now I'm kind of at a point where I don't really want to take another trade today. I kind of just want to call it a day. If I take another trade, I am not okay taking another loss. I think we've done enough damage for the day. Man, oh man. Not a good start to the week. Not a good start to the week. We were finally making progress again on these accounts. It just seems like as soon as we start making progress again, and now hopefully this is the last day. Hopefully the rest of the day, over the rest of the week, we can have some nice trades. But right now, this is just, yeah, it is what it is. It's part of trading. Losing, losses are part of trading. Made his first financial transaction with Bitcoin. He bought, yeah, I know, I saw that, John. Timbo, 2 minis short, let's go. Don't tempt me with a good time. Don't tempt me with a good time. Of course, now it's going to rip lower. Of course it is. Of course it is. I got the first at my 50K PA today. Just a quick question. In one trade, I went in drawdown of 300 and then I closed the trade at $20. I got scared. What kind? That kind of broke 5-to-1 rule. Initially, take profit at 200. Yeah, gurus. I mean, there's some speculation on what is actually. I honestly, I'm not even sure which one it is, but I don't, me personally, I think it's calculated on your average risk to reward, is what I think. Your average risk to reward at the end of the, at your payout request, I think. But again, I try to get some clarity on that, and I didn't really get much clarity on it, so I guess I don't know. I'm not sure, but either way, I would just keep trading and obviously try to stay within that 5-to-1. I wish they would bring some clarity to that 5-to-1 risk to reward rule. It definitely needs some clarity on it. There's some questions on how that gets calculated, and yeah, it doesn't make sense on some of it. But my interpretation was, the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio is calculated when you request a payout. So when you request a payout, they look at it as a whole, and if your risk to reward ratio as a whole on average is better than 5-to-1, that's fine. That's what I think is looked at, but there's been other people that have said otherwise. They feel very strongly that it's not that way. So I'm not sure. I guess I tried to get some clarity on it and I didn't really get an answer. So I don't really know what to say. I guess the best answer is I'm not sure. I am not sure. Man, that stop. Of course, market. You're very funny. Yeah, we need to walk away, guys. This is borderline triggering me. We need to walk away. My initial target was 200, went into a drawdown and took off 20, and then the market went down. My take profit just. Yep, guru. We've all been there. Jose, this indicator is just the opening range low, 15-minute opening range low, 15-minute opening range high, where we opened at, and the initial balance mid, session high, session low. That's what that indicator does. All right, look at that. Should have had my stop a little bit higher, I guess. My bad, market. My bad. I hate, this is where this really gets me going. Urgh. I hate being right because I don't take your own advice. Wait, you telling me, Timbo, you didn't take 2 minis short? Come on, man. Patrick published a book about how great and rich he is. Hey, I saw. And people buy it, will make him even richer. I hope it's like you said, Apex repeated themselves often that they are not interested in single trades. I hope they act like this. Yeah, go SPVC. I do know the risk to reward, like the 30% drawdown roll, that definitely is per trade, but yeah. Have you ever heard of a guy called Trader Sumo? I have not. And there she goes. Would have hit my take profit. Oh, that is so... Got to be kidding me. Oh, it's just so frustrating sometimes trading. Literally, I mean, okay, let's revisit this trade. This is what I do. Like, this is what I do afterward. I'll just do it live. The problem wasn't that my stop wasn't in the right place here. Like, honestly, this was a bad entry point right here. My entry point should have been below this wick, just so this does not happen. And if that's the case, then my new setup, my entry would have been up here at the 502s for a short. And then it would have been fine, but that's not what happened, unfortunately. And that's the difference between a $260 per account red day versus a green day. But it's okay. You thought I was BSing with them Asia lows. I mean, I was looking for that, but it just, I had a bad entry. Oh, well. Hey, Mike R. Let's go, Mike R. Let's go. I wonder what benefit there would be to trade in that warehouse. Like, why would someone do that? What's the benefit? Watch it hit again. Oh, I'm sure it will. Now we're making new lows. I hate this. I hate it here. It's time to walk away, folks. It's time to walk away. For reals. Look at that. Disgust me. Mmm. Ah, I tell you what. Oh, I'm so sad that I got stopped out there. I'm actually sad. All right, we need to walk away. Time to walk away. Yeah, Citizen Zero, I hear you, man. I have revenge trading is right now a real possibility. A revenge trade is on the table. The more this goes lower, the bigger and the more likely I'm about to do something here. Seriously starting to irritate me. What happens if you break rules? Nothing. You just need to trade for 8 more days and then stay within the rules. Request again, and you can get your payout. They don't close your account. They don't remove your profits. You just trade for 8 more days and request again. Do they explain why you don't get a payout, Samir? I wish they would do a better job with that. They do tell you if it's risk management. Usually it's improper risk management, but that is one thing I really wish they would improve on. Supposedly in the future they're going to give you the date and time the rule was broken. But right now it's kind of a generic, and I'm not a big fan of that. But supposedly they're working on that. Does Apex remove the profit, Aries? No, they don't. You broke some rules, Ron? If you know that you broke some rules, Ron, then just, trade till you get to 8 days, request the minimum payout, knowing you're going to get denied. But you still need to go through that process so that it resets your days traded. So then you can trade for 8 more days, stay within the rules, and request a payout, and then you'll be fine. Yep, Grande, that's what I do. All right. I'm not sure why I haven't shut it down yet. The pool we have is heated, so yeah, pool time is definitely an option this afternoon. Maybe I just need to shut it down and go jump in the pool. It's probably not a bad idea, but oh god. Don't tempt me, Matty Matt. I'm so close to going short right here. Problem is we're right here. So dumb. Full port, 10 micros. Five cons, 20 cons. You guys are terrible. You guys are a terrible influence. You guys are a terrible influence, man. Okay. Okay. Let's regroup. Let's think it through. Let's use common sense. Let's just shut it down. Let's not do anything stupid. Right there, Guardian Angel Trader, are you sure you want to stop trading? Yes, I am. Ah. You gotta look into what's available to shut down Sierra charts when Max lost it. If I'm up on the week, Samir, no, I'm not. Definitely not. I am up though. If we want to look at the silver lining today, here. Hang on. if we want to look at the silver lining kind of day, let's do this. Hang on. Where's my, there we go. So, of course, the screen, so you have to disregard this screen and this screen because that's evals. Those don't, eval lives don't matter. That's that. If I ever get a shirt made, if I ever do shirts, I'm gonna have eval lives don't matter is gonna be one of them. But these are evals here. These 5 at the bottom, these are take profit evals. These are my funded future evals. But these Tradeify accounts are all funded accounts. So, of course, all these profits were made in the overnight session. So, it could be worse. We could also be having a red day on the Tradeify accounts. So, it could be worse. Obviously, it could also be better. Maybe I really need to start thinking about we really just might need to start having some serious conversations about only trading the overnight sessions. Don't forsake the folly. Why did you click no, John? Because I haven't fully committed to shutting it down yet. How long I've been trading? Going on close to 3 years, I think. Yeah. Or is it 2 years? I'm not sure why I keep getting that confused. Five accounts for the stream and then the rest in the overnight. No need to make your profits suffer to entertain us. I definitely don't want to do that. I don't know. I mean, today was one of those days where, I mean, this was unfortunate. This 3-minute strategy, today's the first day that this really frustrated me. Felt like I had a good chance at today's trade and it just never did work out. But this stop out right here, this one here, that one hurt. That one hurt. Just a bad entry. A bad entry, or we'd be having a completely different tune right now. I think that's what makes it hard to walk away, is I know just one bad entry, if it wouldn't be for that, we'd be green right now. But it is what it is. We gotta accept our losses. Yeah, Amelia. Here. Do you use a different strategy in the overnight session? Not really, no. I mean, I do maybe trade a little bit more support resistance than I do during the day, but not really. I know, Captain Crunch. Yeah, I know Goan trades. The opening, I don't know. We're kind of live testing it. We're gonna wait and see before I don't want to overreact. It's still a little bit too early for that, but we're definitely keeping track of it. Okay. All right. I think I've got it out of my system. I think I really need to shut it down though. That's all right. We're shutting it down. Shutting down is overrated. Oh, it is not. It is actually not. All right, guys, I'm going to call it here. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to walk away before I do something stupid that I'll regret. So we're going to shut her down, and we will be back tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow and hopefully turn this week around. I don't like the direction we're heading. I don't like it at all. I don't like it one bit. All right, everybody, take care. Appreciate everyone. And we'll be back in the morning. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. And God bless.